Ever wonder how to make your Twilio number instantly respond to incoming messages? First, log into your Twilio console, which is your central hub for managing all things Twilio. Once you're in, navigate to the phone numbers section located in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your provisioned Twilio phone numbers. Click on the specific number you wish to configure to receive incoming SMS messages. On the numbers configuration page, scroll down until you find the messaging section. This is where we tell Twilio what to do when a message comes in. Under a message comes in, ensure the drop-down is set to webhook. A webhook is simply an automated message sent from an application when an event occurs. In this case, when your Twilio number receives a text. In the URL field, paste the web address of your messaging application or server that is designed to process incoming SMS messages. Then, choose the appropriate HTTP method for your webhook, which is typically POST for sending data. Once you've entered your URL and selected the method, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. This is crucial for the configuration to take effect. Now that your Twilio number is configured, it's time to test it out. Send a text message from your personal phone to your newly set up Twilio number. You should see your messaging application instantly receive and process that incoming text, triggering whatever logic you've built. This means your Twilio number is now successfully receiving and forwarding messages. And that's how simple it is to set up your Twilio number to receive incoming SMS messages. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Twilio tutorials.